Okay, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How is your day going so far? Hold up. Okay, so today it is definitely a Sunday. How is your Sunday? How is your Sunday going? How is your day today? Hope all is well. Hope all is going on great. Hope all is going on great. Okay, how is it? How is it? Talk to me, talk to me. Let me know. Let me know how we are doing. Hold up. Okay, just wanted to finalize with my setup over there. Hi guys, how are you doing? I am officially starting with the session. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing great. This is your girl Lena over here, ready to roll in. Come through, talk to me. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know how everything is going. Classic Duke. Hi, Classic Duke. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. It has been a minute over there. Hope you are doing okay. How is your Sunday going? How has been your weekend? You know, if we reach a Sunday, definitely we are coming to the end of that weekend, and definitely we are going to dive into a new week. We are going to see how things are going to play out, how everything is going to work out in our new week. So that simply means that we have to prepare for it, okay? On very many occasions, actually, I use a Sunday to prepare myself for the week that is coming up. You know, you prepare yourself. And then get ready to dive into the market. You see how everything is going to play out. Actually, today, yeah, I'm not so good. I know all the time I come through and I'm like, yeah, I'm doing good, I'm doing amazing, all is well. I am trying to keep it up there, all right? But actually, close of my weekend has not been so great, I should say. But what to do? We have to keep going and we have to keep it happening in our trading journey. Okay, Simon. Hi, Simon. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for clocking in. Thank you for checking in. We are ready to keep it rolling. That is Baba over there. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you are doing good. Let's go. Okay, all right. Simon is asking me, how are you doing? And happy Sunday to you. Thank you, Simon. Thank you, Simon. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing great. Let me tell you guys, at times, even if my day is not so good, even if I'm not doing so well, coming here, seeing you guys come through, join me, it clearly brightens up my day. So let us get into the market. We see we are already making some money out of it. Definitely a pocket option. That is a broker that I am using. Okay, trading binary options as we can see, and I am on gold OTC chart over here. So let's see. Definitely, when you are trading, make sure and make it a point to follow the chart quite properly, because at some point, maybe you might think that you had a breakout, yet you are actually just having pullbacks in an uptrend or in a downtrend. So make sure that you watch your chart closely. Make sure that you know exactly what is happening, what is going on from the beginning of your trading to the end, because watching the market, it helps you so much. It helps you so much to keep going, to keep being updated on exactly what you have to do next, what you should avoid, what you should come through with. So, right, make sure that you keep it that way. Watch the market closely. I thought you had forgotten me, but you are amazing. Please don't forget. No, 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 never, never. Simon, I can never forget about you. I can never, right? Hamad, hi Hamad, how are you doing? How is your Sunday, guys? Guys, how is your Sunday? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing great over there. Raphael, hi, how are you? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. It's yoga Lena once again. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Mm. It's always a good time. Let me sell here. It's always a good time. Anna, hi Anna Mbata, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Oh my goodness. And then we close in a plus. Hi, my dear Anna. Hope you're doing great over here. I'm doing amazing. I am doing great. Definitely by seeing you come through, it brightens my day. My Sunday has not been so good. I will not say that it has been a great one. It has not, but definitely I am picking up having you guys in the building and definitely analyzing my chat over here. It brightens my day. Let's go. Oh, it's always a good time. Mhm. One thing I can tell you is that if you have been there and the day has not been so well, you do not feel the positivity in you, all right? That is where we said have a preparations, should I call it that? Pre-preparations. Make sure that you sit somewhere, you enter a room, a quiet room, somewhere where you feel at peace. On my end, that is what I actually do. That's how you are able to see that despite of everything, I still keep motivated. I still keep positive, and that is what you guys should also make sure that you dress up to make sure that the market does not overwhelm you. You do not feel like you made a mistake to come into the market, you made a mistake to come and trade. Make sure that you have, there are people who have meditations, there are people who sit back, listen to some music, there are people who, we have very, very many different ways of motivating ourselves or working on our emotions. So make sure that you have done something good with your emotions before you come into the market. All right. So let us go on with our trading, catching some beautiful entries over here, and we see. Okay, we are in an uptrend, but definitely that kicked me on the leg. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, since we are entering into the new week, come through. Let us plan together. What do you have in mind? What do you think we should do with our next week? What's on your schedule over there? Fill me in, fill me in. Let us start the week together. Let us make sure that we move together, okay? Okay. Oh dear. Oof. Closed in a loss over there still. What an interesting question over here. I'm having a very, very interesting question over here. Are you gambling? Okay. Are you gambling? That is JK. A random. No, my dear, this is not a gambling. I am trading, right? And I'm trading on Pocket Option Broker. I'm trading binary options, right? What we focus on to is a win or a loss. That does not conclude that we are gambling, because you do not just blindly come through and place in a trade. You do not just come from wherever you've come from and place in a trade, all right? You need to understand what exactly is going on in the market. You need to have knowledge. It takes a skill for you to trade, all right? It takes a skill. So this is not gambling. We are clearly having okay, let me first have this. Get careless with me. Get careless with me. Okay, hi Joshua, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Godfrey, I see you over there. Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing great. JK, so what strategy are you using? I'm using pure price action. JK. Somebody like you. Mm. Hi, son. How you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Okay, okay. I love you too, my brother, son. Love you too, love you too. Okay, so as we can see over here, definitely we are into consolidation. We are getting into it, as you can see. So definitely that simply gives us that we are having two people in the market. So we first have to wait and see. Okay, for someone who is a beginner, please do not always rush into placing in trades over there. All right, placing in trades over there because it becomes tricky, it becomes risky. So wait for the market to define or identify which particular direction we are going to take instead of you rushing to place in your entries and then you close at a loss. All right, so over here, beautiful. So you see we waited and definitely we crossed above, we broke above, meaning the buyers were in control of the market and we closed in a plus. All right, in the market, there are very, very many opportunities. So please, if you see that you are not very certain whether you are going to close in a plus, just relax and wait. All right. Relax and wait, and then strike at the right opportunity. When you are very sure that right about now I'm going to nail it, please do so. But if you are not sure in that particular moment, give it time, okay? All right, let's see what this gives us today. Deep perfect deep sleep goodness. Sorry about that. Okay, that is perfect deep sleep, Polly. Hi, my dear. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you are doing okay. Today is a Sunday. We are closing our weekend. My day is getting interesting. It's getting interesting. It's becoming beautiful because definitely my perfect deep sleep Polly is in the building. Thank you for coming through. And definitely joined in by Ruth. Hi Ruth, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Okay, when we are, sorry about that. Subayaki.
It's not a secret I try to hide. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands tied. You claim it's not in the cards, your friend is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me.
Okay, okay, okay.
My destiny. I think you keep right. You be the one.
Okay, okay, okay. As you can see on your chat over there, that is the list, and we are into it with our participants. So let's see. That's a plus over here. Let's see, guys. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in. It's your girl Lena over here. So let's proceed to our next attempt. Let's see. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is amazing. That's amazing. Let's keep it going. Okay, I'm seeing people over here are having an amazing conversation, guys. Whenever we have right people who are winning, that is great. And are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. It has been a minute over there. It has been a minute. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so let me withdraw this as I definitely much. I've been well. Okay, Video Truck, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Good to have you around. So sorry about that. So really. Okay, sorry about that. Someone like you.
And I find it bittersweet. Cause you gave me something to do. When you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, they go.
You lost someone when I went to
Someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like
trying to see what's up.
you probably never loved someone
Like
like I.
I
It's beautiful, it's bittersweet, just like a broken heart. I take a shot of memories, like I get empty sheet. I feel my breath the way you walk, I feel my legs.
Okay, so we are into it for 5 items. Let's see how it's going to play out. Okay. Beautiful face. Okay, that is a good one. That is a good one. Mary, Mary. Okay, so that is a plus. Congratulations. We have just one more to go. Remember, we are looking at 5 atoms, so just one more to go. Mhm. Okay, in the building, I see Maredi. Hi, Maredi, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. It has been a while. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. How is your Sunday? How has been your weekend? Let me know. Let me know. Then I'm seeing okay. For the strategy, that is pure price action. Okay, make it real. I'm drowning in the ocean. Come and take me away. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is to Tobias. Away from home. Milan. Why? I'm drowning in the ocean. Come and take me away. Okay, so let us dive into it. We are just waiting for the perfect opportunity to strike. Body. Yeah, I don't care when I'm in my way. All the button disappear. Maybe I am somebody with a bad nights when I'm in my way. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. We are moving perfectly fine. Okay, Blessing is in the building. Hi, Blessing. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you for today's session. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's lovely. That's lovely. DJ System is in the building. Hi, DJ System. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Yeah, okay. When I'm in my way. Beautiful. That was well calculated. If you've seen that. When I'm in my way. Hi, C. John. How are you? How are you? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. And I am somebody. I can dream in my nights when I'm in my bed. When I'm in my bed. Oh dear. Oh goodness, 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 goodness. Oh dear. That clearly gives us that on our first strike, we are closing in a loss. So let us give it one more try. We see. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear. That just acted against me. We've given it a second try and we've closed in our loss. Okay. Next, we are having 1,150 US dollars, 2 attempts. Okay, that is our first attempt and we have closed in a plus. Let's dive into the second attempt. Okay. Okay. We are getting back into the game. Let's believe we keep it there. Okay, hi fan, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope how is your day going? How is your weekend? Let's go. That is John Luck. Hi John Luck, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. It's alright. Anyway. Charles, hi Charles, how are you doing? Good to have you. Courage. Okay, over there. Let's have it. Okay, that is 650 US dollars. We are looking at a take profit of 4,500. Look at that. We said things we don't mean. Get careless in a feeling. somebody like you. Okay, guys, not to forget, I am on Pocket Options platform, all right, and definitely trading binary options. And for anyone who is asking how come Lena is trading gold over the weekend, please have it in your mind that I am on OTC markets. So with the OTC markets, I can definitely trade over the weekend because the market is an open market. Okay, so that's how I am able to trade. I have some people here over the during the week. They told me actually that they trade let me say like crypto, forex, and stuff like that. And definitely over the weekend, they ride into with binary options, all right? So people are making sure that each and every single day they are in to cash out. So why not join in? The Pocket Options link is in my description over there. Check it out. You never know. You never know. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Video truck over there. I see you. I see you. I see you. Thank you for the amazing work that you are doing. Beautiful. Let's go. We are keeping it going. Somebody like you. Generation. Hi, generation. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you around. Somebody like you. I know. It's been long, but I'm so happy that you are here with us today. Good to have you. Okay. I'm seeing faceless content. How are you doing this? Like how? It's called having a skill. Make sure that at least you acquire a skill. Have a trading strategy. Have a trading plan. Definitely have know about risk management, right? So such things in the market, more so when you are dealing with binary options, help you figure things out. They help you get those amazing opportunities, the calmness, the patience, being disciplined, all right? There are a number of factors that can actually help you be this way. Okay, that is Samson. Hi, how are you? Hi, Samson. Good to have you in the building. Hope you are doing great. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, Charles is asking me how many years have you been trading? I've been trading for 5 years plus. Someone asked me if you have been trading for 5 years plus, how old are you? What do you mean, how old are you? Do I look young? Do I look young? So definitely been I have been in the market that long, and I have learned a few things here and there, and that's why I am in all for these live sessions to share my trading experience, to share how I have maneuvered, how I have overcome the different challenges that I've gone through, that I've faced. Okay, all right. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Remember, we are looking at 4,500. And you let her go. Oh, oh no. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you let her go. All right. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations. That is to Beatrice over there. Congratulations. You've been high when you're feeling low. When you're missing out. Trouble when you're at home. You only in this morning long. When it starts snowing, love it when you let it go.
Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go. Where should we run to? We got the world in our hands and we're ready to play. They say we're wasted, but how can we waste it if we're loving every day? Okay, I got the keys to the universe, so stay with me. Cause I got the keys, babe.
Wanna wake up. Let me put a second list over there. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, let us proceed. For the misfortunes, my sincere apologies. Okay, I'm seeing Explorium. Hi, Explorium. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay. That is beautiful. Let us proceed. Okay, so as you look at my chat over here, that is for Explorium. For Explorium, as you look at my chat over here, I am on the Gold OTC market chart, and I okay. Anyways, right now I am into donations. So for my amount, I put what someone is risking. All right, what someone is risking, and my chart time frame, that is 15 seconds. Expiration time 15 seconds as well. For the candles, that is 5 seconds. Okay, using a strategy which is a pure price action. Okay, definitely trading binary. Oh dear, oh dear. Trading binary options, and I am on Pocket Options Broker. On risk management, so definitely using a pure price action over there. It's backed up by okay, it's backed up by the alligator indicator that you see over there. Let's take it for one attempt. Charles, hi Charles, how are you doing? Why say so? Not had actually the best of the day, but I'm good. I'm good.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
Diego, that is 450. We are looking at a take profit of 4,000.
Young, dumb, broke high school kid. We have so much in argue all the time. You always say I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right. What's fun about commitment when we have all life to live? Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. Show up everything, leave it on the game. No, no. On the sin, do it all in the name of fun. Fun. Woo, woo, woo. I'm so high at the moment. I'm so caught up in it. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke, high school kid. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
Okay. I'm just looking at amazing people over here.
I will always remember.
That is Charles. Charles and Explorium.
You went just like this,
Okay.
no, it's never been better than the summer of 2002.
Okay.
We
Let's
were
go.
only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we own the present.
We still have some way to go.
And never, but I guess that was true. Dancing nude in the middle of the woods on almost time, where we sang songs without
What I've understood in that statement is Lena and Kenya. Okay, so Explorium is joining in all the way from Kenya. Hi, how you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Charles, um, that I believe that is Kiswahili over there. And I know people from Kenya. Of course, Video Track is from Tanzania, and I believe the two of you share a language because I have had Kenyans here and I have had Tanzanians here. So I've seen people chatting here and there. Oh dear. I have a closing a loss over there. That is so unfortunate. Hold it. Baby. Okay, Shadow, yesterday we did so well. We did so well. Let's see how today is going to go. Okay, that is Night the Great. You only speak English, Lena? Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. I've tried several languages. That is French. I've also tried Spanish. Uh, Which other one? I've tried a few, but things did not really turn out so well for me. Anyway, since I involved myself into learning when I had grown, when you have grown, you have a lot to think about. So the concentration span is really diluted. It's very low. So I think that's why. That's why really. But otherwise, if I'd done it earlier, I would have done better for myself. Okay. Okay, Explorium is asking me, how are you getting these good entries? Okay, first of all, to tell you, I'm using a pure price action, and when we go into that particular strategy that I use, we have a lot to look out for. All right, we have a lot to look out for. Those are the different confluences that we have, but I concentrate on a few. Which is market direction, market structure, then the candlestick patterns. I focus so much on understanding those. I put in my time to make sure that I understand how they work, mainly market structure, because it's the king, it's the backbone, all right? So I took time. Of course, it takes time. So when I understood those, I place in my entries or I place in my trades depending on those confluences, all right? And then that is backed up by the alligator indicator over there, as you see on your chart over there, right? So that's how I get it. Definitely with a market structure, I look for those major points for the uptrend, the major higher highs and the major higher lows. For the downtrend, the major lower highs, the major lower lows. So you need to understand, like, when you are using a particular strategy, it could be support and resistance, it could be any strategy that you feel comfortable using. It comes with a lot to learn, with a lot to understand. But if you are using it and you understand how it works, do not look out for very many things in it. You can have a few, but definitely close your trades in profits. Okay. So that is how I do it on my end. I don't know how you do it on your end. Probably, maybe you can share with us and we see how you do it. Okay. One.
Last week that I had a dream. why I'm here. I'm writing this song to tell the truth.
Yes,
Surrender my soul.
okay. Okay, I'm seeing Charles over there. Yes, yes, yes. I have situations of the it is asked. Okay, so Night the Great. How did you get into trading and what was your very first capital? Okay, such an interesting question. How I got into trading. First of all, initially I have a brother who is trading, so that is how I got to know about trading. But from anywhere else, I'd not heard about trading. I was not even interested. Then I got an opportunity. I was working somewhere, but while at work, it was actually those colleagues of mine at work who are now my very, very good friends who introduced me into trading. All right. It was actually my co-workers that introduced me into trading. Then about my very first capital, that was $100. That was my first capital, $100. And because I did not know about risk management, I definitely put in $50 for the first entry. Negative, next entry, $50. Negative. So that was my first capital, and it was my friends who initiated me into trading. So definitely when I told my brother that I feel like maybe it's time for me to get into trading, of course, he was happy about it. Okay. 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 His address. Baby, I am all I know nobody else. Hiya, Dove. How you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. You're not beautiful. I want you so desperately. Can't believe it. Tina beautiful. Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Congratulations. Didn't know you're beautiful. Hi, and hi, Godwin. How are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Excuse me. That's my message. Hi, Blue. Thank you for joining in. Mhm.
Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time. As long as you're right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, ride with me, see where this thing goes.
That will be our last list for the donations today. Hi, Bright. How are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. So we are taking it for just 2 items. It is meant to be, it'll be, it'll be, baby, just let it be.
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, baby, it's meant to be. So come on, ride with me, see where this thing goes. So come on, ride with me, baby, it's meant to be. Maybe we do, maybe we don't, maybe we will, maybe we won't. But if it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. You know I want you. It's not a secret I tried to hide. You know you want me, so don't keep saying I'm hard inside. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide it's on my destiny? What if we ride the stars? Say we rise up and ride. Nothing could keep us. I know you wonder why, because you're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything has a point, and I'm not the one you're meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be, and how can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours. Tonight, all I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. If it's impossible to get enough of love, it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Changing the world to be
Oh, so sorry about that. I'd actually not noticed it. Thank you, Samuel. Thank you for that. Oh dear. Okay.
know your name. And I need you here with me now. 'Cause you got that one thing. So I'm falling to my arms. Yes, yes. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. Get out of my mind, and come into my life. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. You got that one thing. You've got that one thing. Get out of my
Oh
head.
dear.
Fall into my arms. So get out of my head. Fall into my arms. I don't know. December 6th, 2014. We're going to drive across LA and hit every wedding we possibly can. It's going to be awesome. Really. I'm hurting, baby. I'm broken down. I need your loving, I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging, I'm on my knees. Deep in your love, it's gonna be deep in your love. It's gonna be when you're away, baby. There where you are, it's gonna be there where you are. You one little day, so good.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Oh dear. Oh goodness. Just one attempt, that is for fun. First attempt, we have closed in a loss. Let us give it one more try and we see.
Hey, Samantha, you might tell me about that boy the way I talk to you. I want you to leave that boy there alone. You hear me say? Don't play with me. No make me you have none. You understand me?
Oh dear. Okay, so that is it for our donations for the people that we have closed in losses. So sorry about that. My sincere apologies. But today would not put you down to call it the end of it all right? Please. Let us keep positive. Let us keep pushing. Trading is a tricky one. Today we are good. Tomorrow we make a few losses here and there. For those that have managed to uh, those that have managed to close with profits, congratulations to you. Guys, let's call it session. It was good having you around. I will see you tomorrow. Make sure that you freshen up such that we enter into the week fresh and ready to roll. Have a blessed day. Love you guys. Bye bye.